Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we present a wiring video of Skydroid H16 connecting to the Skydroid S2 GPS Kit. Skydroid S2 Multifunctional Avionics system is equipped with the automotive-grade sensor BMI 088. As a high-performance inertial measurement unit, the BMI 088 can provide low noise and low drift characteristics in an environment with temperature fluctuations. It also boasts excellent ruggedness and stability. Skydroid H16 Drone Remote Controller is an all-in-one drone remote control solution for long-range HD video transmission, which can realize video, data transmission and radio control. Featuring low latency, good anti-interference performance and long transmission range. The video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to wire. How to display. What products will be used in this test? The products used in this wiring test are Skydroid S2 GPS Kit, Skydroid H16, 5300 mAh battery. The cables used are S2 H16 connection cable, S2 power cable, JST to XT60 adapter. How to wire. The TELEM1 SPUS IN interfaces of the S2 module are respectively connected to the SBUS port and UART port of the H16 receiver. The connector for the S2 module is GH1.257 pin. The connector for the H16 receiver SBUS port is GH1.254 pin. And the connector for the H16 receiver UART port is GH1.253 pin. The GPS module is connected to the GPS interface of the S2 module, with a GH1.256 pin connector. The adapter connects to the battery, and the S2 power cable connects to the POW port of the S2 module to supply power. The connector of the POW port is GH1.255 pin, and the other end is JST 2.54 mm2P. How to display. Turn on the remote controller. Go to Tool Assistant. Enter Advanced Settings. Password is 999. Check the frequency of the UART port. We are using port 0. So the frequency of port 0 should be set to 921,600. Open Fly GCS and the ground station will connect automatically. If not, click the upper left corner, then click Switch Connection. Find the S2 interface and connect. Shake the S2 module and you can see the flight control status displayed in real time on the ground station. Click the upper left corner to enter vehicle settings. Password is 999. Click the monitor interface and we can detect the stick output. This concludes the video tutorial on wiring the Skydroid H16 to the Skydroid S2 GPS Kit. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the video content, or if you would like us to explain any part in more detail in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials and practical guides. See you in the next video.